Unlike the male orgasm, which is often characterized by a single, intense climax, female orgasm can be more varied and complex. It can be triggered by various types of stimulation, including clitoral, vaginal, and even G-spot stimulation. Types of female orgasm. 1. Clitoral orgasm. This is the most common type, resulting from direct stimulation of the clitoris. 1. It's often characterized by intense sensations and rhythmic contractions. 2. Vaginal orgasm. This type of orgasm is less common and often occurs in combination with clitoral stimulation. 2. It's often described as a deep, pulsing sensation. 3. G-spot orgasm. Stimulation of the G-spot, located on the front wall of the vagina, can lead to a powerful and intense orgasm. 4. Multiple orgasms. Some women can experience multiple orgasms in a short period, with varying intensities and sensations. Factors affecting female orgasm. 1. Physical health. Hormonal imbalances, medical conditions, and medications can impact sexual response. 2. Emotional state. Stress, anxiety, and relationship issues can hinder sexual arousal and orgasm. 3. Communication. Open and honest communication with a partner is essential for understanding and meeting each other's needs. 4. Sexual experience. Previous sexual experiences, both positive and negative, can influence a woman's ability to orgasm. 5. Body image. Positive body image can enhance sexual confidence and pleasure. Enhancing female orgasm. 1. Experimentation. Explore different types of stimulation, positions, and techniques to discover what works best for you. 2. Communication. Talk openly with your partner about your desires and preferences. 3. Relaxation. Create a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. 4. Self-pleasure. Masturbation can help you understand your body and what brings you pleasure. 5. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to achieve orgasm, consider seeking advice from a healthcare provider or sex therapist. Remember, female orgasm is a personal and subjective experience. What works for one woman may not work for another. The key is to be patient, experiment, and enjoy the process.